Well, good morning. I am here on the shores of Lake Pend Oreille. Found a little bay area that I wanted to explore. So just kind of having a look-see around. Mostly I've been wanting to get out and take some film and I don't know, just get out and explore. So today I've got a little square format TLR film camera and just seeing what I can find with that. I also have my digital camera, just in case I want to do some wide angles or something. The built-in lens on the TLR is only an 80 millimeter, so it's just a standard lens. So I can't really go wide angle. So that's what I've got the digital camera for, that and doing some video. But I also have a little pinhole lens with me, just in case I want to do some of that. So I'm just kind of having a look-see around and seeing what I see and hopefully get some pictures. So let's see what we can do. When I'm doing forest photography, I really like coming out on these overcast days like this because the sun is blocked by all the high overcast clouds. It makes this really nice softbox for the entire scene, so the light is evenly dispersed over everything. Now, I'm shooting film today, and film has a lot less latitude than digital does. It's a little bit harder to get between the really high bright highlights and the shadows. So by doing these overcast days like this, it just makes it a lot easier, makes it a lot nicer looking in the end. Well, I just got through taking this picture of this really cool grouping of logs here. It's just kind of nice with all the mosses and stuff and plants growing in between them and everything. Looks like they've been there for quite a while. There's lots of rocks growing around them and everything. So yeah, I took a shot of that. I had to go ahead and do it really quick just because the wind was at that point was just kind of still finally. So just took a quick shot of that and see how that comes out. I am starting to feel a few sprinkles of rain, but at the same time the sun is starting to come out. So that's North Idaho weather for you. But yeah, anyway, I'll just keep on going and see what else I find. So it's getting a little bit later in the day. It's about 11 o'clock right now, late morning, and wind's starting to pick up a little bit, which usually does happen around this time. It starts to get harder to, take photos with the foliage starting to float around, flit around. Plus, I'm kind of in an open area right now. I'm in a marshy area. So whenever you get those open areas coming off the lake, it really makes it kind of hard with the wind and stuff. Still got a nice overcast, kind of comes and goes. There's a few spotty areas with some sun, which kind of makes it for some harsh, blown out areas and stuff like that. So you have to kind of watch that. But other than that, it's been pretty nice. So getting some pretty good pictures, I think. Certainly going to keep coming back. It's a really nice little spot. So yeah, I'm just going to continue on down the trail and continue the loop and see what I find, see if there's anything else, and then head on back to the truck probably. So. So it's showering pretty well right now, which is not really totally unexpected. They were calling for showers for the rest of the day. So I think it's pretty much done for. So I'm gonna head on back to the truck and head home, get some lunch, call it a day. But I want to thank you all for watching, and hope to see you again next time.